So this is a impromptu Dr. Angle Arm, Moerman Angle Arm review. So we're just gonna start it here. So I just used this, I think you guys have seen me do this, to clean the windows up here, right? So you gotta put some force, a little bit of force to close it out. Literally, I've been using this for 10 minutes, brand new. That part right there, already cracked. It's not cracked for good, but it's already cracked. So we're gonna see how this holds up over the next couple weeks. I was gonna do like this month review, but I'm thinking this is gonna break. I don't want this to break. I think this is a great idea, and it worked really well, but last window. So I think I might just be careful with the amount of force, but these are the kinds of things I'm talking about. But it wasn't expensive at the same time, so I'm not too frustrated with it overall. But here's your Dr. Angle Arm review. That's where the break is. Watch it open up. That's it. That's done. Okay, well, shortest review I've ever done. So the angle arm broke more, as you could hear on the camera. Now let's get this thing off. That's just frustrating. If you're gonna sell stuff, you gotta have it work with everything. So here's my thing to you, Moerman. Start having more people test your stuff. It's nothing about that the testers you have are doing it wrong, but start having more people test this stuff in extreme situations. You know, this was pulled onto about 20 feet and broke 5 minutes into having it. It's not an expensive product, it's under 20 bucks, so I'm not very mad about it. It's a great idea, but this part needs to be like aluminum or something. You can't have this be plastic. For it to break that soon, that's a crap product right there. So that's it. That's the Dr. Angle review. I was pretty excited about getting that. I really wanted to give it a good review, but I mean, it's broken. Simple as that. Can't even use it. So if I were you, I would just hold off until they make it better. You know, it seems like a common thing these days that these companies just make whatever, sell it in hopes that it does well. They don't really have people testing it out good enough. So this isn't a knock on anybody that's testing their products. It's just Moerman, come on. I even bought the new Moerman pouch here to give a try, you know? That's really frustrating. So there's my review. Don't buy Dr. Angle.